In our previous video, we have primarily created the menu worksheet, and accordingly we have created also the worksheets with the name which we have mentioned over here in the sheet name. In this specific video, we are going to create revenue streams. Before creating revenue streams, we have to do two things. First, we need to understand the business for which we are creating this financial projection model. This specific business is about a library and reading room, and primarily the library and reading room conducts have primarily a book section, and they have a computer center, and finally they have and different programs that they conduct. These are the three basic areas where the books library and reading room works. Whenever we create any financial projection model, there are a few things for which we have to take proper care. Formatting is one of them. For formatting, we have to create a legend, and normally the legend contains different areas in which the user will use this financial projection model. First thing, which user inputs, there is user input. Now we need to specify a formatting for this user input, and for that we need to create some styles. You can come to style sheet and you can create any styles from here. Create a new style, you can click on new style, or else what else you can do is you can just right click on any style, then you can duplicate it. Once you duplicate it, it will show you the name of that style. I will name this style as user input. Enter. Now you can see in the styles tab we have a custom user input type style available over here, in which if we click on this, it automatically format that specific cell which is selected in that user input style. After user input, user normally enters formulas. These formulas normally comes from the same sheet. We have to create a style for formulas. We just right click on X and 20%, duplicate it and name it formulas. Now in style sheet you can see we have an option with the name of formulas. Then we have from other sheets option. These are the values which are coming from other sheets, not the same sheet. We have to create a style for this. Duplicate. Style from other sheets. Then two other sheets. These are the values which are going out of the sheet to other sheet as an input. Now we have created the legends. Now we are going to copy this and paste it to every sheet, just to inform the user that these color schemes refer to the specific areas. Now we are going to create the revenue stream sheet. We've just entered the title revenue streams. Now we have to create years. As we are creating this model for 5 years, we have created year 1 and dragged it for 5 years. Now we are going to create the revenue streams. As we have already mentioned that there is a book section, and then there is a computer section, and there are different programs or projects from which this library create revenues. First of all, in book section we have to mention growth rate. In year 1, 0, 1, 1.5, 1.5 and 2. We have mentioned that in first year there is no growth rate, and then from second year we have a growth rate of say 10%. As these are all user input, we have to select this item and then format it, cell styles and user input. Now we are going to define the number of beneficiaries. We will continue this revenue stream sheet in the next video. Please continue.